Welcome to ADC's series of instructional videos for the ADView 2 Modular Diagnostic Station. In this video, we'll show you how to add a temperature module to your ADView 2. With the device turned off and unplugged, remove the cover plate on the right side of the unit. Slide the black thermometer module into the opening. Be sure the module is firmly seated, then tighten the top screw. Next, take the thermometer probe and chamber and carefully slide into the module. You'll hear a click when it's properly positioned. The probe and chamber can be blue for oral and axillary use or red for rectal use. Finally, remove the perforated tab on the probe cover box and place the box into the opening on the top of the chamber. Your ADView 2 thermometry module is now ready to use.